Welcome to the VGS database download tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS dev team. A new feature of VGS 5 is the ability to sync data to a cloud-based server. The sync process in VGS 5 is a two-way sync and pulls new data from the server while pushing new data to the server. Before you can sync with a server, you must first download data from a secure web interface to a sampling device. Only the blue syncable folders which were previously downloaded from the server can be synced with the server.
To download a database from the cloud, you must have access to VGS Online, and the device must be connected to the internet. Please see the Creating a VGS Online Account tutorial for directions on how to create an account and access your organization's database.
To download folders from the database, go to File, Database, then Download. The user login window will open. Enter the email address and password associated with your VGS Online account. Once logged in, you will see the database you have rights to. Select the desired database, then select Get Folders. To select a folder for downloading, select the box next to the folder name. Multiple folders can be selected for download at one time.
A green confirmation box appears, giving you the option to add or append data to your current database, or clear the existing database and replace with a new download. If this is the first time you are downloading from the server, only the first action applies. Otherwise, click Add Selected Data to Device if you want to append the existing data with the download, or click Clear Previously Downloaded Data from the device, then Download New Data to replace the existing data.
We strongly encourage you to download only the folders that will be used for data collection during a short duration of time, and not all of the folders that you have access to. This is due to the large amount of time required for downloading, which can increase exponentially depending on your internet speeds and database size.
A progress bar displays the various datasets which are downloading. Once the download is finished, a blue information box will appear, informing you the download is complete.
The downloaded blue folders now appear in the file catalog frame. If you click on the folder, all the sites associated with that folder are displayed.
If you have existing data that has been modified but not synced, you will be prompted to exit and sync before you can download.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.